Hi, so I want to give you a close-up look here of this Bulova 98C60. So you could see here that the dial itself comes with a large day of the week and also the date right there. As far as the symbols themselves, the Bulova emblem appears twice right here and also on the clasp itself right here. Now just going around and giving you a better look of the dial itself up close. Let me zoom in. And you can see it is two-toned. There's gold around the ring here. And let me just give you a better look, zooming out. And also coming back in here. And the clasp itself, just going around, has that brushed stainless steel look to it, as well as being two-toned gold. And it does have two sides where you push in here to release the clasp. And once again, just going back to the dial and giving you a look from the edge here. So zooming in to the bottom here, give you a look. Stainless steel, water resistant. Also, once again, the Bulova emblem at the bottom. But overall, just looking at the dial itself and giving you, different angles so you could get different shades of that gold color there on the dial. And the entire watch and band. Let me just rotate it so you could see some of the detail from this angle. But that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show, and I hope this helps. And please subscribe, and thank you for watching.